Yes, I've been practicing general practice for about 10 years, and through that time I feel like I've honed my skills to a reasonable level in terms of simple restorative, dabbled in some orthodontics, and implants just seemed like the next step. I have done some general theoretical courses in Melbourne over the last few years, and while that gives you an understanding of the principles, it doesn't really give you the hands-on confidence. I've had some friends that have done this course previously and they spoke quite highly of it, so I just thought it would be a good way of exploring the world while also getting some confidence with my skills to be able to bring that back to my practice. I guess the quality of the instructors. So prior to coming to India, I wasn't really sure as to what the level of teaching might be in India. I guess in most countries there's always a big spread as to what that level might be. Fortunately, in my first day, that was proven to be a non-issue, and the instructors were really competent, very informative. There was no real language barrier. They were able to communicate things quite effectively, so looking forward to the rest of the program. So through my time in this implant program, I'm hoping to just get confidence in my treatment planning skills and able to execute those basic skills when providing implant therapy to my patients. So being able to bring implants into my practice, that will not only give me greater fulfillment in my own work, but hopefully that will also allow me to give greater quality care to my patients and able to treatment plan things more holistically, being able to have a greater understanding of implants. I had a colleague who had done this course a few years back, and I had a few colleagues actually, and they all spoke really highly of the program itself, the hotel that we were staying at, which is exceptional, and yeah, again, just having got into it, very impressed.